Henry, don't you like our traditions like going to Kilwin's Ice Cream and getting you a pup cup? Well, I don't think Kilwin's is on Daddy's keto diet, so why don't we get you one later and we'll tell these nice people about our new listing here in Tradition in Heron Preserve at 10215 Southwest Captiva Drive. This home is located in Heron Preserve, just a few blocks from Tradition's town center. And no problem if you don't want to drive, you can take a bike or a golf cart on the 20-mile T-Trail connecting you from anywhere in Tradition to town center and the rest of all the shopping it has to offer. And don't forget the Cleveland Clinic Hospital Research Center is right up the road. And then if you don't want to take your bike or your golf cart, just grab a beep beep bus and take it anywhere you need to around town. This home is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, a little under 2,000 square foot, and a great value at $500,000. Because if you did a to-be-built here in Heron Preserve, you'll spend more money on the same size home and you're gonna have to wait 9 to 10 months to have it done. This home is only 1 year old, so you still have some of the builder's warranties included. The entryway leads you to this open floor plan with a large kitchen. I love these quartz countertops with this grain that matches the wood cabinets. Notice the basket weave design on the backsplash. And there's lots of storage under the island, and all of your appliances are stainless steel with this 5-burner gas stove and oven. Notice all the natural light coming in from the impact windows and doors. This large family room with enough space for my client's massive sectional sofa, and they even have room for this 6-top dining room table. Here in the back of the house, you have the master bedroom with a walk-in closet, the ensuite with dual sinks, quartz countertops, wood cabinets, and a glass shower. Notice the size of the master. It's plenty of room with lots of light coming in through the windows. Through this hallway, we have a full bath with 2 bedrooms and your laundry room. Then in front of the home, right next to the front door, you have the 4th bedroom in the house with an ensuite and walk-in closet. Then here in the back of the home, you have this large screened-in lanai with a huge backyard and plenty of room for a pool. You also have no neighbors on the left side of the house and no neighbors behind you. And until you put your own pool in, you have a community pool and playground for the kids, just a short walk from the home. So while Henry enjoys his pup cup ice cream, and before we get on this beep beep bus and take a ride around Tradition, if you enjoyed the tour, please reach out to me, Lee Brickey, by text, phone call, or email, because we'd love to take you on a tour. And if this is the first time you've been to our YouTube site, don't forget to slap that subscribe button right there, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our real estate tips and tours. And you can watch our next video on the Port St. Lucie market right there. And if you'd like to see more tours like this, you can click right there. Be kind to each other, and we'll see you next time.